Brian. Today we're going to be making a workbench for our wood shop.
Yesterday we laminated together 2 3/4 inch pieces of plywood and we cut it to a size of about 6 feet to 34 inches.
Next we have to determine the height of our workbench. The workbench will also be used as an outfeed table for the table saw, so we'll start with that measurement.
We've measured the height of our table saw and it's 34.5 inches. We've also measured the height of our casters we're going to put on the bottom of the bench and the thickness of our tabletop. Combined, they come to a height of about 5 1/4 inches. So now we're going to measure and cut the legs to use on the bench at 29 1/4 inches.
Each one of these legs will be made by a pair of laminated 2x4s. We'll need 8 of these. We'll use the first one to measure the rest.
Next, we're going to laminate our bench legs together using some wood glue and then securely attach them with some 2.5 inch screws.
Okay, now that the legs are assembled, we're going to cut out the stringers that go around the top and the bottom of the table near the bottom, but the top will sit right on the top set of stringers. Now we need 4 boards that are 66 inches and 4 that are 28 inches. So let's get started cutting those out. Now from each 2x4 we can get one 66 inch piece and one 28 inch piece with this little bitty piece of waste from each board. Like with the legs, first piece we cut will be our marker for the rest.
In the next part of our project, we're going to take 2 of our legs that we've assembled, 2 28 inch boards, and connect all this together. We're going to measure about 5 inches up from the bottom of each leg and make a mark where we want to attach the first stringer. The other stringer will go up here at the top of each leg, and we'll also drill some pilot holes before we attach our screws.
Now that the legs and the short stringers are assembled, we'll now attach the long stringers.
Before we attach the final stringers, we set it upright just to make sure that all of the legs are sitting even on the floor.
Well, now that the frame is complete, we're going to put 2 cross braces between here and here, equal distance from each side. We'll go ahead and measure and cut those now. We had one really warped 2x4, as you can see. I think I'll use it for this. Alright, now it's time for the casters. I'll start by marking the places where I want to drill my pilot holes. Then I will drill the pilot holes and screw them down. Simple as that.
Now that we've attached the casters, we're ready for the top. These casters are rated at 150 pounds each, so including the weight of the bench, they should be able to carry about 600 pounds.
Smooth as silk. Now that the tabletop is square, I've marked out lines so we'll know where to drive the screws. First, we'll start with pilot holes. Well, as you can see, this is our fully constructed workbench. In a future video, we'll sand this baby down, give her a stain and finish.
Including construction of the tabletop, which we did on a previous day, the entire project took us about 5.5 hours. We certainly look forward to making many projects on this bench for years to come, and we hope we've inspired you to make your own workbench. Happy woodworking!